Welcome home to 1245 Stratford Place in Northbrook, District 27. Let me give you a tour. This grand home is over 4,000 square feet, plus a finished basement. There's a first floor office, a gigantic mudroom, 4 bedrooms on the second floor, 3 full baths, and 2 powder rooms. Cozy up by the 2-sided fireplace, enjoy the vaulted ceilings and the hardwood floors throughout. Tons of space in this glorious kitchen with granite countertops, new stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinets, and it's a perfect entertaining house. Check out this great mudroom space. It's adjacent to the kitchen, the garage, and a first floor office. Look at this beautiful view.